5 टन 5.5 टन गेल्लो आसा जाल्यार 120 टन 240 टन जे म्हणटात ते खंयसर येता ते खबर काडची पडटली. आमी
लेट्स गो आउट, लेट्स स्टॉप द व्हेकल्स. Only when we do that will there be something coming. Then the government will realize we are serious.
We are saying first that this plant, in its existing capacity, should not increase to beyond this capacity. It should serve only the constituencies of Saligaon and Kalangut. We want only sorted garbage to go to this plant. This plant is receiving completely mixed garbage and they cannot deal with the garbage at all.
Goa should abide by Supreme Court direction and treat garbage in the areas where it is generated. हे सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर आसा. ज्या सुवातेचेर गार्बेज जाता थंय प्लांट आसपाक जाय. कायद्यान एक व्हडले 40 रुमाचे हॉटेल आसता तेंच्यांनी आपलो प्लांट करपाक जाय. ती कांदोळची गोमूटची गार्बेज हांगा येवपाची गरज ना. The kind of capital intensive plant spending hundreds of crores is used for commissions and creates more problems than are solved. And it says the government beginning with the cabinet comes and celebrates picnic at this plant or even take a vacation instead of spending taxpayers' money on foreign jaunts. Yes or no? The garbage of only 2 constituencies be brought under supervision of committee of locals for operations to normalize. Yes or no?
Yes. So no more garbage should be accepted by Sansoro. And then our minister went to that particular site. Maka statement kalo, plague जावे if you don't treat this garbage. So are we waiting for similar kind of a situation in Saligaon? लोकांनी 3 बाहेर सल्ल्या पळय. येच सगळ्यांनी वांगडा रावपाक जाय. वांगडा रावन वो मेनस आहा, वो आमकां शाप आहा पळय आमी क्लीन करपाक जाय. एक गॅस चेंबरान पळय तूं मागीर सामको सफोकेट जावन मरता पळय. So is he trying to make Saligaon a gas chamber by putting that incinerator on top? The machine, it is a machine. Machine केन्ना फेल जावं येता, लिकेजेस जावं येता. आनी मागीर तुका समज ते फ्यूम्स, the dangerous chemicals, breathe what we will breathe. It is green today, we are breathing green today. Tomorrow we will breathe chemicals. निल्लान तूं म्हणटा पळय कॅझिनो हाडटलो म्हणटा पळय निल्ला आनी तो निल्लीचें नांव घेना. तो जो कांदोलीम आनी सालिगांव हेच्या मदीं तो कॅझिनो हाडटलो म्हणटा पळय. When I was a minister, this casino department, the ports department was handled by me. There were lot many files and lot many bribes also, which we do not accept. आता म्हाका पळोवपाक जाय and I am telling Mr. Michael Lobo, माझे कडेन ह्या सगळ्या फायलींची झेरॉक्सीस आसा. लास्ट सिग्नेचर कोणाचे आहा पळय and after that if I had to sign, I would have been the richest man today. सांगपाक सोदता, you move 1 inch and I'll show you. ही फायल तीन हांवें सायन मारल्या पळय, ही फायल लास्ट कित्याक उरलेली? Why it was pending for so many years, even after the officer signed and captain दोन तीनाचेर against remark मारलो आसा. I want to see if you're going to go ahead by signing this similar documents. Why you want to bring the casino here? We are all सगळे तुमकां एक मास एजिटेशन जाल्ले पळय एका ओरिसाच्या गांवान. All they are standing in the waters. They are going to stand in the water there. They are going to stand in the river. आमचो गोको बीच आहा पळय, they are going to all stand in the river. Keep depth in the river. आमी भायर सरकान दिसलें तूं काजिनो हाडून दाखय. It's a challenge, Mr. Michael Lobo. हाडून दाखय.